Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hoverboards for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Hoverboard Certified HS 2.01 from Hoverstar. This model stands out for its vibrant design and LED flash wheels, making it a visually appealing option for younger riders or those looking for some flair during their rides. It supports up to 165 pounds and offers a maximum speed of 10 kilometers per hour, making it a great choice for beginners who are just getting comfortable with hoverboards. The self-balancing technology helps ensure stability, which is perfect for kids and first-time users. The design emphasizes safety and reliability, with bright front LED lights to enhance visibility and sturdy construction that can withstand regular use. While its performance is solid with its controlled speed, it's clear that this hoverboard is more geared toward casual rides rather than high-performance scenarios. Additionally, the built-in Bluetooth speaker adds a fun touch, allowing riders to enjoy their favorite music while cruising. However, the battery life and charging times could be a limitation for some users, as it's not as long-lasting as other models on this list. Ideal for gifting occasions like birthdays or holidays, the Hoverstar HS 2.01 is a solid entry-level choice for kids and beginners. Pros include its stylish design, ease of use, and affordability, while cons include limited range and speed compared to competitors. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Hover One Astro Electric Hoverboard. This model strikes a balance between performance and fun with its 7 miles per hour top speed and 9-mile range. Featuring dual 200-watt motors, it handles inclines up to 10 degrees with ease, making it suitable for neighborhood rides and light terrain. The Astro is equipped with a built-in Bluetooth speaker and customizable LED lights via its companion app, offering an interactive experience for riders who enjoy personalization. Its self-balancing system is intuitive and beginner-friendly, stabilizing the rider for smooth acceleration and deceleration. The hoverboard also sends safety alerts if you're speeding or riding on unsafe surfaces, which is a thoughtful addition for new users. While the design is sleek, it's heavier than some other models, weighing in at 18 pounds, which might be a drawback for portability. The Astro is ideal for casual riders and those looking for a hoverboard with entertainment features. However, its customer rating of 3.5 out of 5 suggests that some users have encountered issues with durability or battery performance. Pros include its excellent safety features, customization options, and Bluetooth speaker, while cons include its weight and mixed reliability in user reviews. At rank number 3, we have the Hover One Ultra Electric Hoverboard. This model is a favorite among beginners and intermediate riders due to its 9 mph top speed and 9-mile range, powered by a robust 400-watt motor. The Ultra's self-balancing technology makes it easy for new users to get the hang of riding, with smooth controls for acceleration and deceleration. The hoverboard is also IPX4 rated for water resistance, which adds durability for outdoor use. Its design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry when not in use. The LED lighting enhances visibility during nighttime rides, and the built-in safety alerts notify riders of unsafe conditions, such as speeding or unstable terrain. The battery is UL certified and fully charges in 5 hours, providing peace of mind when it comes to safety. The Ultra is ideal for riders who value simplicity and reliability. However, the absence of a Bluetooth speaker and fewer customization options may leave some users wanting more. Pros include its dependable performance, intuitive controls, and safety features, while cons include limited entertainment features and a slightly higher price point compared to similar models. At rank number 2, we have the Hover1 H1 electric self-balancing hoverboard. This model offers a premium riding experience with dual 200-watt motors that produce a maximum speed of 9 miles per hour and a range of up to 9 miles. Designed for both beginners and advanced users, the built-in self-balancing system ensures stability, even on inclines of up to 15 degrees. The 6.5-inch solid wheels provide a smooth and comfortable ride, making it suitable for various surfaces. What sets the H1 apart is its stylish iridescent finish, color-changing LED headlights, and integrated Bluetooth speaker. Whether you're riding in daylight or nighttime, the H1 ensures visibility and adds a fun pop of color to your ride. The 3.5-hour charging time is one of the fastest in this lineup, giving riders more time on the road. Additionally, it sends alerts for unsafe riding conditions, adding an extra layer of safety. This hoverboard is ideal for riders who want functionality paired with entertainment. It does come with a slightly heavier build at 22 pounds, which may not be suitable for younger kids to carry. Pros include its excellent performance, fast charging, and stylish design, while cons include its weight and higher price tag. Taking the number 1 spot is the Hover1 buggy hoverboard attachment. While technically an accessory, this innovative attachment transforms your hoverboard into a go-kart, offering unparalleled fun and versatility for riders of all ages. Compatible with most 6.5-inch and 8-inch hoverboards, the buggy provides hand-operated rear-wheel control for precision steering, making it especially beginner-friendly. Its adjustable frame length and secure straps ensure a comfortable and safe riding experience. Installation is a breeze, with all necessary mounting gear included in the package. The buggy is designed with durability in mind, featuring rubber protectors and a sturdy frame to withstand hours of use. It's perfect for riders who may feel less confident standing on a hoverboard, but still want to enjoy the thrill of riding. The independent rear-wheel drive allows for quick turns and reverse driving, adding another layer of excitement. While it's not a traditional hoverboard, the buggy attachment is a game-changer for families looking to maximize the use of their hoverboard. Pros include its versatility, easy installation, and added safety features, while cons include the need for a compatible hoverboard, which is sold separately. This product is a must-have for anyone looking to expand their hoverboard's functionality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.